know what I go on. It's never happened to me. By airport, me there, say me I go on a little blog what I go on. On the way. First time. Yeah, we just get a call to come deliver some item. You know it thing go. Like and share, subscribe. So go and stay tuned. I want to say big up on yourself, all of my loyal subscribe. Yeah. Peace. Yeah, people. Airport. Yes, people. I wonder how I go on. This never happened to me. Yeah. Checking people. On the outside, you know. Checking what I go on there. I want to say big up all of my subscribers, you know. See what I go on. So I just say I go on a little blog what I go on the way. Yeah man, check out what I go on. Yeah man, in the airport today, no? First time. No joke. Yes, some people. By airport me there, so I say I want to fly in. I want to pick up. I want to drop off at the airport. Yeah, I want to just link up. Tell a friend for tell a friend. It's a good look. Yeah, so I want to pick up. I just come link up the channel, share up the channel, tell your family and friends that I want to pick up and drop off at the airport. Yeah, see sign there. Yeah man, the airport to them man, see that. Big national airport. So, just tell a friend for tell a friend. Yeah, the man over there. So. Yes, my paper outside again. Up on the page front. Yeah, come on, blow off, me I tell you how. I'm going to go for my hand. Me blow off them on the rock them. Normal settings are here. Yeah. On the ship behind me. Straight over Kingston over there, sir. Waterfront over there, so do your Kingston that. Down at town, I look over this. Yeah, man. Praise the people. I want to subscribe to the channel. Tune in. Tell a friend for tell a friend. Yeah. People look on the water, people. Water look clear and nice. Ready for July. Yeah, see plane and take off there. Guys, it's a beautiful settings. We have shot a little clip showing how I go on. Yeah man. Look on the walkway guys. Around 7 kilometers out the walkway. Stay tuned guys, let me show you how I go on. And just keep on tuning in and tell me what I go on. This is not my channel, not our channel guys. Our channel this is. So I want you guys to just subscribe. Yeah, come on the journey with us guys. So share up the video, tell a friend to tell a friend. You're out here in the street. Yeah man. So come on the journey, stay tuned, like up the video, tell a friend to tell a friend. Oh you know what, I gotta deliver one item to one of my clients. So I'm so sure now I go on and I arrive and I deliver the product. Yeah. Respect to all of my loyal subscribers. Yeah man, check out our just want to drop off the item and collect. Yep. Yeah guys, look on the food here. Look at this food here guys, the breeze are blow hard. Yes guys, I'm gonna eat it now. I have some fried chicken and rice and peas with vegetable.